This video I am going to explain what is the drawing skill and what is the sketching skill and how you should identify these things in your child, the art areas. Not only that, and what is the benefit of helping the child to grow on that right directions. How this will benefit the child career and the personal life. Let's begin the video now. Hi, as a parent, why you need to understand what is the difference between drawing skill and the sketching skill. Yes, drawing skill is different and sketching skill is different. If your child keep drawing a lot of characters like anime characters, manga characters, cartoon characters or any game characters, more on those areas in the sketch box, this belongs to the sketching skill areas. It means the student is showing more interested on that particular directions. Okay, so you have to help the students to move on that particular directions, move forward. Same things, if the child is drawing but it's not looks like anime character or manga character kind of stuff, the child is keep trying to draw more realistic face, more shading things, more natural landscape stuff, those kind of stuff. It means this belongs to the drawing skills. It means you have to help your child to draw traditional art class. I hope this point is clear. To define this, you need to keep your child works or 5 to 10 works, then you need to analyze this. Okay, why you need to do? The reason, if your child belongs to the sketching skill area, you have to help the child to learn more into the character sketchings, correct? Because character sketching class help the child to learn more properly on that particular directions. If you are keeping this child into the traditional art class, or else the traditional art interest students into the character sketching class, they don't see something is relevant to their interest or is relevant to these areas, even though it is art field. Understood? Yes, it is something like the person is interested in music. In the music, what? Keyboard learning. But you're helping them to join guitar class, even though it's producing music, the child will be connected to that class. No, correct? Same things. First, we need to understand your child likes more drawings or more in the traditional art things. Once that is clear, then you can able to help the child into that particular direction. The direction is very, very important, because once the direction is fixed, whether the child is moving into that particular areas slowly or faster, that is secondary. Every single step they will enjoy. The journey will be really helpful, very happy for them. That's one. If you change the directions, they don't see any clues, they don't see anything which is relevant to them. Every single things will become a question mark for them. Whatever they're learning, how this is going to helpful for them to draw the characters properly and all the things, if they're going for the art class. The guy who was interested on character sketching. Got it? Check your child work. What type of work the child is doing, more into character side, or is more into the art side. That's one. Or it's a very beginner stage, correct? Suppose you're putting your child into so many different art classes. You tried so many classes, maybe you got different feedbacks from the teachers and all the things, so you keep changing it. It means the child keep doing all the stuffs. Character also, art work also, mental art also, portrait also, correct? So many things. It means, what is this? This is called, your child naturally have a lot of creativity power inside. So whatever you are putting in the classes, the child is trying to give, because of the interest, the child is understanding and trying to do something, so he is getting the output. But the child is not found in the right direction. Got it? That's what the child couldn't move forward on any one of those things. So because we made them confused, because whenever the summer time comes, we are putting some summer course, because we have to help them, because they're into art. So you're putting in art class. You don't know what exactly interest they have, correct? That is the other biggest mistake. It's not mistake. That's how things we have right now, correct? So we need help and mentorship to move into the right direction. We cannot think everything from our own mind, correct? Whatever knowledge we are taking from outside, based on that only we are taking the decision. Yes. So if situation is something like this for your child, what you need to do is, you have to help them to go from basic to the next stage. It is really hard, because already the person knows so many different things here and here and here. Okay, but if you're putting them into the basic to the next, like example, in the art, learning sketching is the first. Whether you're using your first sketching skills, then drawing skills, then you go for shading, coloring, painting, this all the things. Then you go and create those all the things in normal canvas, otherwise in the computer or digital world. This is the steps. Is that correct? So the person already knows many things. If you're going and putting them into the basic class, really tough. But if you're not putting them into the basics, it's very difficult for them to decide and go for what is right for them, because they know so many things, correct. This comes become a like good at so many things but not specialized on any single things. Okay, the people who's creating a lot of great works and all the things, when you look at, they always is good at one particular things, is very 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 depth. Other things also they knows. It means what, they learned one things very perfectly, which is belongs to their interest areas, which is they're good at. And they also got the right mentorship, right coach. They will learn it. They will spend 6 months, 1 year to learn it. After that, they'll start creating a lot of works, so they'll become a good at. After that, whenever they have time or something, they'll try to see what is there in other areas and all the things, so that they can able to grab a lot of ideas, techniques, how other people are using it. Those things they will use it here on their own work. This is the secret. Okay, we don't get it this. Got it? Because in these areas we have very less trainings, we have very less opportunities. People will say it outside. A lot of creators are there, but very 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 less coach and trainers are there in these areas. There's a lot of people will teach the how to draw this, how to draw this, all the things. The less people are there to train the person into down the line 1 year or 2 years to make sure the person is reaching certain goals. Then after that, start creating stuff. Clear? Check your work. If your child is keep doing a lot of anime characters, manga characters, this kind of characters works and all the things, okay, then you have to help your child to draw character sketching course classes. I'm also offering free 1 hour demo class for character sketching mastery course. It is belongs to character sketching mastery course. This 1 hour demo class is totally free for all level of beginners age 10 and above, because I help children 10 and above to learn to draw characters like anime, manga and cartoon characters. This 1 hour demo class I will be teaching 3 subjects. 1, character sketching foundation skills. Second, character sketching method. And the third one is character sketching process. Once the students knows what is this, then this, if the student interest is aligned with character sketching, definitely the student start feeling it, yes, I belongs to this particular direction. So you can take the character sketching mastery course after attending the demo class. Got it? The demo class is free, but character sketching mastery course is the paid course. Don't worry, we'll talk about that in the demo class. I hope if you're a parent, if you already struggling on this particular areas, how to make decision, I'm very very thankful for helping you. Okay, because this is not only for my business, I'm also something like this. I went so many different directions here and here and here. I couldn't get coaching. I was training. I was even studying material, anything which is belongs to my interest areas. So it took so many years for me. And same time, we also should focus on career and other areas. So focus also went there. I couldn't achieve this all the things. Because of that, what will happen? The creativity is not coming out. The feel is not coming, become a sub artwork or something, because always have the certain feel of like missing some things, not feeling so comfortable, or self-confident is and not that much is rising, and all the things has happened. So very very later stage, it's cost so many other things. Then I realized, okay, which is my core, and I start practicing it. I start founding the right trainer. I improved on this particular areas. After that, I can become a millionaire. No, it's not about that money or other things. It's about I start feeling very confident about myself because I'm sketching it. It's not like I'm sketching and selling the sketching for $1 million. No, it's not like that. Yes, money is important. There is other aspects. How you feel self-confident, how you will feel self-worthy, how you will learn focus, how you will think more creative for one particular area to reach in the different direction. We are always not stick to one particular method or something kind of stuff, correct? creativity. Got it? That's how I really very happy as a parent if you learn something, if your child is into art, if this message, the difference between drawing skill and sketching skills, is helped you, I was very very happy. Please comment below or text below. Okay, if this video is made you learn any points, let me know what point you learned. Okay, if you're not trying to describe the points, please put the thumbs up. See you all.